Hello students, welcome back. Let's continue with the same chapter of your English main course book. And yesterday, means in my previous video, we have done the explanation till here. Now let's start with the next paragraph. Suvira Mathur of Blue House has never been beaten in this event, not even at the inter schools. In fact, she assured me Suvira holds the Delhi inter-school record for the 800 meters. So beta, as I told you in my previous video that Deepi Gupta warned her that it was just an impossible task for her to win the race. Why? Because there is a girl in their school and her name is Suvira Mathur and she is from Blue House. She has never lose this competition. Why? Because she is the champion of the school and she has not even won the inter house competition, but she has won Delhi inter school record also of 800-meter race. I eyed the sad Miss Mathur. She had long, dark, muscular legs which rippled every time she moved. Then she looked towards Suvira Mathur. Miss Mathur means Suvira Mathur. She had a long, dark, muscular legs and she was moving her legs all the time. She had a friendly enough face which flashed smiles to everyone dressed in blue t-shirt. So beta, she had a smile on her face and she was wearing blue t-shirts. Especially she was passing the smile to the one who were wearing blue t-shirts because they belonged to her house. But when she moved, she was like well-oiled machinery. But when she was moving in a very good way. I tried to shake off my feeling of certain disaster. So writer got nervous. She was shaking because she was feeling of certain disaster. So I had to make a decent go of this. Now that I had put myself into the situation, I should give it my best shot. Then she was trying to motivating herself by saying that now she has joined the race and it is her duty to win the race or to try her level best to win the race. I wasn't a bad piece of machinery myself after all. Then she encouraged herself by saying that she was also a very good racer in her school. I had won 800 meter a couple of times in Calcutta and better she also won many races in Calcutta. What was the guarantee that Suvira Mathur was better and faster than me? So she was again saying to herself that what is the guarantee whether Suvira Mathur is better than her or faster than her or not? Who knows? I could well turn out to be the new heroine of the show, queen of the fast track or something grand like that. And she further said to herself that who knows, she might win the race on that day, and then she became the heroine of the show, queen of the fast track, and something grand means something bigger like that. With such wonderful fanciful thoughts warming the cockles of my heart, and when she started encouraging herself, she was really feeling so good in her heart. I got up to test my old slightly battered spikes on the new unfamiliar track. No one cheered me on as I warmed up, doing springs and stretches to force the winter from my bones and muscles. And she started doing the warm up exercises, but when she was on the track, nobody was cheering her. Why? You know very well, because she was the new admission and nobody knew about her anything. Just the power of positive thinking and me were out there on our own hand in hand. And she has nothing with herself. Only the strong determination, the strong willpower was there with her, and then she started moving towards the track. I stopped for a few minutes to catch my breath and watched the 110-meter hurdles. And then what she did before joining the race, she took a breath and what she watched? She watched 110-meter hurdles. I always admired people who could fly so effortlessly over hurdles and high jump poles. And she always admired those people who participate in 100-meter hurdles, because it is very appreciating that they could fly or they could jump over hurdles in a very good way. But today I promised myself I would fly, I would burn the track. Now again she was motivating herself by saying that today I am going to run at my best and I would burn the track means she was going to win the race. This was in her mind. And then the 800-meter race announced. And then what happened? The 800-meter race announced, and where she picked lane 3. Oh no, it had to happen. In the draw of lots, I had picked the lane right next to Suvira Mathur, who was running in lane 4. And beta, she was in lane 3. And where was Suvira Mathur, the champion of her own school? She was standing next to her, means she was standing in lane 4. So the rider in lane 3 and Suvira Mathur in lane 4. Oh dear, not a very auspicious start. A slight tremble shot through my dwindled confidence. So it was not a very good start, because again she started losing her confidence when she saw Suvira Mathur near to her. But it was too late to back off now. But again it was too late, and as now she was on the track, she was standing on the track. So she was saying, now I cannot give up. I had to face the competition. I admit that for a fleeting moment actually considered feigning a faint right there and then. But I couldn't let myself down that badly, could I? Then she said, though it was a very different moment for me, I was about to faint at then and there, but again she encouraged herself that I am not that bad. Why I am so nervous? Why I'm I'm so low today? I think I should again win the race with full zeal and enthusiasm. No, I may be a lot of things, but I am not chicken, especially not now when I had only myself to count on. See, she again motivated herself by saying that I am not a chicken, I am not less than her. I might win the race, and I would try my level best in order to win the race. So students, now I will continue the chapter in my next video. See you all. Goodbye. Have a nice day.